So these are the things which are few examples for liquid. And here, which is, can you see here the picture here? So these are the different containers. All these are same. Does it look same? No, it is different, isn't it? So each of these container will hold according to their capacity, how much they can hold. So that is what capacity, and which is inside, which is filled, that is called liquid. The size, comparing the size, isn't it? So we are comparing the size which is known as a capacity. So what we are filling inside that object, so that is called liquid. So we are filling like a water, milk, soup, juice. So see, if you take a shampoo, oil, so coconut oil, isn't it? We are using coconut oil and different oil for cooking, petrol, diesel, kerosene we are using for vehicles. So each and everything which are the examples for liquid. Do you understand? Now tell me, what is a capacity? Yeah, the size of the object which can hold. What is the capacity? The size of the object which can hold. And what does mean by liquid? Yeah, the object which can flow easily. Now tell me, compare these two and tell me which one have a lesser capacity. The glass has a lesser capacity. Now see, now these two tumblers. Now compare these two. Which has a lesser quantity, lesser capacity? So this one. How do you say that? So with the help of the size. So with the help of the size of the objects. So that is called capacity, how much the object can hold, how much the object can hold. So if you go on with this oil bottle there and all, they will write the capacity, how much it can hold. So if you go for a juice, 1 liter juice, 1 liter water bottle, half a liter bottle, 2 liter bottles are there. So that differs in a size and the quantity. So here, now see this 4.2 activity which is in your studio book. Just you are going to compare this, who is holding much capacity. So which jug is holding a much. So you are going to compare this. But all the mugs are in the same size. It has been filled in a different capacity, isn't it? So now see here, write full. If you think the jug is filled to its full capacity, write half if it is filled to half of its capacity. More than half, it is filled more than half of its capacity. So capacity is nothing but how much it can hold totally. How much it can hold totally. So they are asking how much is there. Now see the first one, A. Does it full or empty? But it is filled with few liquid. So what you can write here? Full, half, more than half, less than half. Very good. So it is filled with less than half. The jug can hold fully, but it is filled with less than their capacity, less than the capacity. So capacity is nothing but the full places which it can occupy. Here it occupies the less than the half. See the next one. Yeah, it is filled with a half. See the next one, more than the half. So it is more than the half and less than the full. Less than the full and more than a half. Now see the next picture. Very good. More than the half. Now see the other image. Yeah, it is full. Now are you able to understand what is full, half, less than half, more than half? So now see, this is a water bottle. This water bottle can hold 1 liter of bottle. So 1 liter of water. 1 liter of water. Now see, where is the level of the water? Still more water can be filled in this water bottle. Still more water can be filled in the water bottle, but I have used few water. Now the level of the water is more than the half. Half means this is the half. It is more than the half. So if I take few water, what happens? So water level will be reduced, so it will come to the half. Can you understand what is full, half, more than half, less than half? Yes? Okay. Now this will be your home fun activity. What is this? This will be your home fun activity. It will take only 3 seconds to complete this, isn't it? So you don't feel about that. So here you will have, in today's session, you will have 2 home fun activity for you, that is which is in your companion book. 4A and 4B will be your home fun activity. What is your home fun activity? 4A and the 4B will be your home fun activity. So what they have given? Tick the correct container. Tick the correct container that is filled to its capacity. What is meant by capacity? I told how much it can hold. So if you take a water bottle, this can hold 1 liter. Now it is filled with more than the half. So capacity means how much, but it can hold, this water bottle can hold 1 liter. So you have to compare like that. So when you are comparing these two, can you see here? It is more than the half, but it is not full. This one is the full. So it has a more capacity when comparing to these two. Okay. So now see here, containers come in different shapes. So already I have displayed you the tumblers, water bottles, juice bottles. So they can hold different amount of liquid. Now see, compare these two objects. So one is a glass, the other one is a water tank. So which one can hold more water? Which can hold more water? The water tank can hold more water than the glass of a water. So what you are doing here? You are comparing the size. You are comparing the size, how much and it can hold. So we are comparing the size. So a cup can hold only small amount of liquid, whereas a big tank can hold a large amount of liquid. So we can see that the tank has more capacity than the cup. I hope you have understood what is capacity. So it is compared to the size, and capacity, how much it can hold totally. What is capacity? Yeah, by comparing the size of the object, and it has to be filled totally. Totally how much it can hold. So container comes in different shapes and sizes. So hold different amounts of liquid. Now see here, 4.3 activity. Look at these sets of containers. Does it look same or different? All looks are in a different object. So take the container that has more capacity than the other. Now see the first one, A. So this is a jug and this is a water bottle. Now tell me which has more capacity? The jug has the more capacity. Now see the next one, a cup, teacup and a bowl. Now compare these two and tell me which holds more capacity. Very good, the bowl, because the bowl is in a larger one. See the second one. Look at these set of containers. Pick the container that has lesser capacity. What is that? Lesser capacity. Compare these two. What is this? Water can. It is of 25 liters. And see the bath mug, which contains a less one? Mug. Now compare these two. Which one has a lesser? Very good. The glass has a, this is too small when it is compared to that. So listen carefully to that. They are asking for more capacity or for the lesser capacity. Okay. This also will be your home fun activity. So in today's class, totally you have 3 home fun activity. 2 in your companion book. and one in your studio book. This is nothing but look around activity in teams of 4. So you can split in with your family members. Along with your family members, you can complete this activity. That is nothing but look around, which is related to our surroundings. So the capacity of the water bottle that you and your team members have. Just list out the image here, then compare along with that and complete this look around activity. You have to complete the look around activity. Then tick the container with more water. Tick the container with more water. Here they are not asking about the capacity of that particular vessel, how much it has. Here they are in the 4A, they were asking as which has capacity, which is filled with their capacity. Here they are asking about more liquid. So among these two, which has more liquid? So it is very easy to complete, isn't it? So while seeing itself, we can tell the answer which holds more liquid. That is more liquid. The next one is a hands-on activity. So already I asked you to be ready with the glass, mug and all these things, isn't it? I asked you to be ready with all these things. So in teams of 3, collect the following materials. So collect the water in the bucket. Each team member use one container. So each has 2. So this activity can be done by you itself. Okay, now take a water bottle. Take a water bottle. Use 3 different glasses. Size. In size, 3 size of different glasses. You see how much number of glasses does this water bottle fill. How much water can fill with the help of the different glasses. Number of times how much you are using. Okay. Collect water in the bucket. Each team member use one container each to fill the bottle to its full capacity. So the container can be chosen by you. So you can use for your, instead of these 3 buckets and these 3 materials, you can use the tumbler, that is a glass, to fill a 1 liter of a bottle. Take a small tumbler. Use and throw cup is there, no, for eating in the payasam. So take that. Then a glass which you can use and throw cup of water, which you use for water, and the home which is available as a glass which is at your home, you can use. So use these 3 different glasses and fill the water bottle till it fills. Till it fills. If you are taking a 1 glass, so fill the water until it fills. You have to take a full of water in this glass. You have to take full of water in this glass and you have to fill the water in the bottle until it is filled. Until it is filled. Count how many number of glasses of water you are using to fill this water bottle. How many number of glasses of water you are using to fill this water bottle. So you can use 1 glass like this. Use a use and throw cup, or if you have a glass at your home in a different size, you can use 3 different glasses. That is up to your wish. Okay, as per your wish, you can use the 3 tumblers in different size. Fill the water in the water bottle and count how many number of water of glasses is filled to fill the water bottle. So which container will you use to measure the capacity of a water bottle? So you have to think deeply. Would you use a spoon to measure the capacity of water bottle? Will you use the spoon? No, isn't it? Why we cannot use a spoon? Because a spoon is too small. It can hold only a sip, ml. So have you seen when you are drinking tonic and all, you'll have only a sip, isn't it? So we cannot use that spoon. So what are all the different things we can use to fill the water bottle? So you can mention here. What is that? You can mention here. So in today's class I have completed. Bye bye. Thank you.